Hello. Hi. I know my tooth is missing, so try to concentrate, okay? This is about the MCA. First of all, it is not a scam. It is a great opportunity, okay? Working all the time, me with 3 kids, working all the time, not being able to spend time with them. Yes, it's a killer. I've been working most of my life since I've been working, since I was 18, working. Not getting able to spend time with my kids. Since I got into this MCA, it actually is a great opportunity, and I love it. I sit at home making money. So if y'all want to know what's up, you want to get into it, this is for real. It is not a scam, none of that. For real. Serious thing. Just hit me up, and I'll let you know how to do that, where to go, things like that, okay? And you should also know it's $40 to start. $40, you could turn that into $1,000 a week. Alright? Good.